Hello everyone. A warm good evening to all of you. Hi, this is Saurav. I am fine and I hope you would be also fine. Today is my topic of reporting speech. My topic is the terrorism. But first I would like thanks to my teacher of Gaurav sir who give me this golden opportunity to do this activity. So let's begin. Now I would like to tell you what is terrorism. Terrorism do violence for serious people and force government whose purpose achieve goal of religious, ideological, and political. They target non-combat like they do attack, and so that the fear and instability could spread. It run by NGOs and handler. Now I would like to tell you the handler of terrorism. Hafiz Muhammad Sayyid and Zakir or Rahman Lakbi. They both are main character of terrorism. And Hafiz Muhammad Sayyid, he born 5 June 1950 at Kharkoda in Pakistan. And his family from Haryana, but he came Pakistan in the time of division. He had lost it 36 family member in the time of division. So that's why he want to take revenge from India. Now I would like to tell you second one member, the main power of terrorism. Zakir or Rahman Lakbi, he is also main character of terrorism. He born 30 December at Okra in the Pakistan, and he was present USSR Islamic War, and they both met at Lahore in Pakistan. That day they made one organization whose name Lashkar-e-Taiba. Lashkar-e-Taiba had done more type of attack in India, and it founded 1986, but it started operation 1990. And Lashkar-e-Taiba, as you know, has done more type of attack in India. Now I would like to tell you the attack of India. Like first is that 37 November to 27 November, the Taj Hotel attack, and second Pahalgam attack, and third the Pulwama attack. Now I would like to tell you the Taj Hotel attack. It was 27 November 2028, and there were two terrorists in the Taj Hotel, Ajmal and Kasab, and they had come from the Pakistan through the ocean, and they attacked approx 9 p.m. in night, and they were killing more people, and they wanted to destroy Taj Hotel and kill innocent people. But that time our Mumbai police, they were fighting with them, and after some time our Mumbai police had died one terrorist, Ajmal, and that time we were losing our also policemen. But on the morning, NSG had come and they caught second terrorist alive. And now that time we had other one terrorist as a evidence. So now I would like to tell you second one attack in India, like Pulwama attack. I am telling, but I am crying insidely because it was very painful attack in our history in the way of army attack. So I am telling, like it was 14 February 2019, and there were 78 buses with more than 2500 soldiers of CRPF. They were going through the Srinagar Jammu Kashmir highway, and it was time of approx 3 am, and they had reached district of Pahalgam, Letpura. And that time suddenly one car came in the highway, and that car had filled 300 RDX, and out of nowhere its car crashed by a bus, and that time there were a very big blast and the car had bricked into a piece. So that time we had lost our 14 soldier of 79 CRPF battalion. So it was very painful attack in our history of army. And now you are watching terrorism increasing day by day. As you know that recently our one attack, the Red Fort attack, and you all know it was organizing inside the India. And before time we used to watch all things like terrorism used to come India or abroad, but now time they are building inside. And as you know that our Indian army is the very powerful in the second place of world. So I hope our Indian army will finish them, and I give suggest to our respective army soldiers, like they should just finish root of terrorism. Like if we will cut root of plant, so plant will not leave. So that's why. Thanks for listening me.